Alright, welcome to another video of Big Pulls Down Under, and today we've got Footy Stars AFL Select. This is the first AFL break on the channel. It's been a while since I did an AFL break, so I'm very much looking forward to this. Hopefully we can hit something nice. Not really sure what to expect from it. It's been a while, but hey, it's AFL, footy season's back. Go the mighty Pies. As you can see, I've got some pies in the background for good luck. So without delay, let's just get into it, eh? I don't know how long this will take. Hopefully not too long. Alright. So that's what they look like. So we've got Caleb Daniels, Duncan. So I guess we get a lot of base. Oh, nice start. Josh Dacos. Burst. Very nice. I'll take that as a Pies man. Alright, Daisy Pierce. We got Elliot. I'll keep my Pies down here. I'm a little bit biased towards the Pies. If you want to make a trade for a card you see on here that's another team, I'm up for getting rid of the other teams. That's fine with me. I'm not really looking to collect them. Jesus. So yeah, hit me up in the messages if you want. Always happy to look for a trade, especially if you've got a Collingwood card to swap. So I've got Rich, Prestia. There we go, Tom Papley. That's the 30-year anniversary card. Alright, we'll put him over here with the Collingwood. Chloe Malloy for Collingwood. I got Rosie and Weller. Damn, these packs are tough. I like the basketball ones. Alright, come on. What do we got here? Bruce, Kelly, Lynch, McDonald, and we got a Richmond burst. What do we got here? Camden McIntosh. Alright, go over here. We got Ellis, Simpkin, Davey, and Hooper. Let's see your redemptions. That'd be a really nice surprise, actually. Zach Bailey, Tipper, Marinoff. Ooh, what do we got here? Ben McKay, number 23. Are they numbered? They are, numbered to 49. Nice. Nice low number. Inserts can go here. And then we've got Fifey. And what do we got? My table must be on a bit of a lean. Oh man, these packs are tough. Alright, what do we got? O'Brien, Shy Bolton, Redmond, Papley, and we got another burst. This time we've got Jake Lever. Very nice, good player. And we got Ben. Base. No, we'll work something out. Okay, we got the Walker Man, Darcy, let's go, Florian. Ooh, Premiership Predictor, Sydney Swans. That's nice. What do we got? That's number 2, 178. Very nice. We got a Nick Cox, good young talent. Shame about the team he's playing for. And I've got a Collingwood over here. Okay. I'm gonna have to do something about those base, I think. They're not going well. I might put them straight in the empty box, actually. Alright, what do we got? Norton, Shane Edwards, Dylan Shield, Luke Parker. Ooh, what do we got here? Game Breakers, Jack Gunston. Are these numbered? No, they're not. Still, nice card. They're a nice and clean product actually. Oh, look at that champion. Yeah, I'm going to sort these. Alright, come on. We got Rendell, we got Cripps, we got Bruce, we got Kelly, we got a Starburst of Charlie Dixon. Not a big fan of his. Or Port. Zeeble. Alir. Big fan of his actually, he's a very good player. What do we got? Jared Lyons, Amy McDonald, Riley Shy-Bolton again, double one up already. Ben McKay, purple, are they numbered? No. Don't worry about me, I'm still learning this product. And we got Brandon Ellis, Jai Simpkin. Geez, you really got to put an effort in to break these packs open. Alright, we've got Jeremy Cameron, we've got a purple coming up. Josh Kennedy, Zach Merritt, Ellie McKenzie, and we've got the Eagles. Boo! Josh Kennedy, he's a gun though, isn't he? I'm surprised he's still going, really. Tom McDonald, David Mundy, surprised he's still going. Dersma, and what do we got here? Checklist. Alright. We've got the Danger Man, McGovern, Jack Martin, Kate Lutkins. Ooh, we've got a blue Josh Dacos. Is that numbered? It is to 132. Very nice. They can go over here for now. And we've got another card, 100 game milestone, I guess. Yeah, Kane Turner. No, they're not numbered either. Yeah, Bradley Hill. Alright. What do we got here? Nick Natanui. I might see if we can just keep them there. Shane McAdam, McCluggage, Gary Rowan, and a purple Tim English. I'll figure it out one day if they're numbered or not. And we got Gunston, Gray, and so I really don't know what type of value these cards may hold. But yeah, still fun. Another Papley, that's like the third one. Emma Swanson, Daniel Rich, what is this? Classified. Numbered to 241. Wow. It's a nice looking card actually. I'm pretty impressed actually. And we got a purple Max King. And then we've got Luke Ryan, Ben McAvoy again, Rowan Marshall, and Sarah Perkins. Good to see that they've put the female players in with the male cards and not having them separate. I like that. Okay, we've got Tom Stewart, Doherty, Doherty, Charlie Cameron, he's a gun. Oh, here we go. What do we got here? 200 game milestone, Jordan Roughhead. Very nice. They're a nice looking card actually. I'm very impressed. Very impressed. We've got steel side bottom. What a gun he is. And we've got James Asher. Spewing, we let him go. Toby Green and Cunnington. Harder than a cat's head, that fella. I know they went down, but when I turned it off, I didn't think they were going to go down. They were looking pretty good. I should have watched the whole game, but I was a bit tired. Oh, we got another Josh Dacos. How many of those are we going to end up with? Nina Morrison, Zach Williams, The Bont, Shannon Hearn, and we've got Starburst, Tom Phillips, another good player Collingwood let go. And that salary cap debacle. Alright, and Dacos. Kane Corns, the grub, needs to get a life. Having a whinge over players recording themselves having a win at the end of the game. Talk about finding something negative in a positive vibe. Seriously, the AFL media are a bunch of grubs. I hope more coaches have a crack at them. Aaron Norton, 30 years, okay. And we've got Himmelberg. Geez, he looked good on the weekend. He was on fire in the goals. Zeeble, Alicia, Alira again, Jake Lever again. Wow, the double ups have come in thick and fast, aren't they? Oh, this is looking like it's going to be a long video. I'm going to have to do some serious editing. Right. Let's see. Ooh, we got Buddy. I like Buddy. A good bloody player. Emily Bates, Rory Laird, Darcy Parish, and is it? Oh no, it's Jaden Laverde. Burst, very nice. We got Ben McKay, Paxman, Zach Jones, Alex Pearce. I tell you, these packs are packed tightly. It's very hard to get a good grip on them to open them. Maybe it's something they need to look at because, geez, it's a pain. Alright, Tommy Hawkins, Tom Liberatore, Trent Cotchin, Jake Lloyd, and we got Cody Waitman burst. They're a funny looking card, aren't they? I like them. Ooh, we got the Grundy, Charlie Dixon, Max King, Tom Mitchell. Okay, let's just start moving through these a bit quicker. This video is going for way too long. Oliver Florient, whatever his name is, and more base. Alright, another James Ace on the back. Emma Swanson, Tom Stewart, Tom Doherty, Sam Doherty, Shane Edwards purple, very nice. Another Steele, another Cunnington, another Toby, and another Aish. The doubles are coming thick and fast. There we go. Get into it. Alright, Gaff, Anderson, English, Guthrie, Fremantle Dockers. Who we got here? Matt Tabernar. Oop, Smith wrecked the joint. Oliver, Bruce, Staunton, and okay, we got McCarthy, Smith, Wiedering, can't say his name, Gary Rowan, purple, Ed McKerney, Matt Rowell, Lockie Whitfield, and Taylor Adams. Another good player. You can tell I'm quite biased to the Pies. They're all quite good players across all the teams, but I'm always going to love my Pies. God, Darcy Moore, talking about a gun. He's a gun. Charlie Cameron, McGrath, he's a gun. Whoops, wrecked the joint. Tommy Sheed, wanker, cost me the grand final in 2018. Karen Paxman, Petrarca, talk about guns, and Darcy Moore. So who do you reckon is going to win the flag this year? I'm thinking probably the Demons are looking pretty good again. I don't know, leave your thoughts in the comments. Liam Ryan. We got Jacob Hooper purple. Stephen May, Sean Darcy. Yep, and Stevenson. Yeah, I'd love to say my Pies, but give us a couple more years, I think. I'm not going to say Geelong. They're always the great pretender. Recently, sit up the top and then fall off in the finals. Dusty Martin. I think the D's look pretty good. I think the Bulldogs will probably get better. Jake Stringer. I think Richmond will be around the mark if they can get their stuff together. David Mundy purple. Thomas Wilson. Stanton. Fritch. Yeah, who else is out? Will Gold Coast make their first finals this year? I mean, they've been knocking on the door. They're getting better every year. Pretty impressive against the Eagles, although the Eagles aren't really that strong at the moment. But yeah, I mean, that's probably an outside bet you could take to see if they make the 8. Reece Conker. What about the Dockers? Are they actually going to take that step into the finals? I'm not sure. It's their road is the one I'd be worried about with them on the road. I know they perform alright, and I wouldn't take too much away from beating Adelaide, but it's more, when I say the road, I mean it's more of the MCG, I think. Kennedy, Selwood, Smith, Harrington. Instant win chance. What are they? With a scratchy on the back. Okay. Put that down there. He's a gun, that bloke. Alright, Horton, Wingard, and Ross. So what, does that instant win count as an insert, does it? Interesting. Better win something then. It cost me an insert. Alright, we're nearly at the end of this. God, this video is going to take forever. I have to try and trim this down a bit. Alright, Sam Walsh, Zorko, Cox, Lewis, and we've got Richmond, who we get. Costagna, he's a good player. Rightio, Swallow, another good player. Paddy Ryder, when's he coming back to play? Brayshaw and Goldstein, that bloke's still going, still rucks good. You get the Rip Packs is a good day. Darcy Moore on the back again. Alright, McGrath, Conti, Sheed, Kennedy, and we've got Game Breakers, Anthony Scott. Apologies to him, I don't know who he is. Patrikos, Petrarca, Burn Jones, and Darcy Moore. Was he the last Collingwood player I got as well? Yeah, he was. Well, there you go. Let's get rid of that. Sorry, stuck to my hand. Adam Sard, Graham, Phillips, Robinson, Walsh, whatever his name is, Amira, Garner. What's that? Was there no insert? Alright, I'm going nuts. Yeah, there was an insert. Sam Walsh 30th anniversary for the Blue Baggers. Alright, second last pack. Mr. Ducker himself, Selwood, Bailey Smith, Harrington, Jack, and we got another starburst finally. Jack Higgins for the Sainers, Duke Miller, Gunn, Horton, Chad Wingard, and Ross. Alright, last pack mojo, come on, give me something. Probably won't, but you know, you can always pray. Tui, Heppel, Jones, Lamb, Prespakis, purple for the Blues. We've got Canelio, Jack Crisp, legend, Dan Butler, and Bowers. Alright, so that is the end of that. Now, if you enjoyed that, leave a like, subscribe, comment down who you think is going to win the premiership this year. If you see any cards that are not Collingwood that you want, let me know. Maybe we could strike a trade or whatever. Actually, it doesn't really bother me. But yeah, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And as always, go to Pies.